How to reactivate TikTok account. So if you want to reactivate your TikTok account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok application, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're under your profile here, you will have login option, right? So let me tell you one thing, that if you've deactivated your account and if you want to reactivate it, then it's just simple. You just need simply go and log in to your account with the same credentials that you've used while creating. So tap on login and then go with your phone number, email, username, or continue with your Facebook or your Google. After that, enter your information, enter your password, and log into your account that you have deactivated. And after logging in, it will be automatically activated. But make sure that it's not been more than 1 month that you've deactivated your account, because if it's more than 1 month, then it will automatically permanently delete the account. Your TikTok account, you just need simply go and log in. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.